Sasalita mo na ako.
Okay.
Juan Guillemar of TriBoosterPureSaver.com. So I'm installing 2 units of TriBooster for this L300 2015 and nahuli na to. It was recommended by the ASBU for the emission. So let's see after installation. Before installation, if it has black smoke or unburned diesel. Let's see. So as you can see, it has a lot of black smoke at the tailpipe. So let's see after installation if we can eliminate the black smoke for this Ford DB6 L300 engine cars.
Pag pipindutin natin ang ito.
Pause.
Pindot ko na. Pabindot na.
So after again, let's see after installation if we eliminated the black smoke from the tailpipe of this Ford DB6. Let's see. Woo! So after installing TriBooster, the black smoke is gone. So check my YouTube channel, TriBoosterPureSaver. Thanks so much, and may the Lord bless us all.
Thank you. Ano ko lang yung na-stop mo na?
Hindi pa.
Ano ko yung pa-test drive natin kung talagang nawala yung black smoke, kailangan lumakas yung makina niya. Pa-test drive natin. Nada-drive mo yun dati?